10 secret budgeting tips for beginners that actually work. Hey there, budgeting beginners! Welcome to the world of financial freedom and smart money management. I know the mere mention of budgeting might make some of you cringe, but fear not. I've got some fabulous and sneaky tips up my sleeve to make budgeting a breeze without being boring or restrictive. So, buckle up, and let's dive into the 10 secret budgeting tips that actually work. 1. Be a detective with your expenses. Okay, I won't ask you to don a Sherlock Holmes hat, but being a detective with your expenses is the first step to budgeting success. Track down all your spending habits using a handy mobile phone app or use Excel or Google Sheets. It might be a bit eye-opening at first, but trust me, knowing where your money goes is the key to taking charge of your finances. 2. Embrace the 50-30-20 rule. Here's a secret formula that even mathematicians approve of. The 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to necessities, rent, utilities, groceries, 30% to wants, Netflix, movie night, etc., and 20% to savings and debt payments. This clever trick will keep your financial boat afloat without capsizing. 3. Make friends with coupons and discounts. Who said you can't have fun while budgeting? Embrace your inner coupon collector and hunt for discounts, deals, and vouchers like a pro. Your wallet will thank you for this money-saving adventure. I strongly recommend using the Flip app to save money. It will help you price match and save you cash at the checkout. Plus, it keeps a running checklist of the items you need to buy. 4. Avoid emotional spending. Picture this: you had a tough day, so you bought a pricey designer bag online. We've all been there, but emotional spending is a budget's worst enemy. Pause, breathe, and think twice before hitting that "buy now" button. Your wallet deserves more love than impulsive decisions. 5. Set realistic goals. Budgeting is like planning a fantastic vacation. Set some exciting financial goals, like paying off debts or saving for a dream trip, but make sure they are attainable. They say, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your savings account be. But small steps will get you there. 6. Master the art of meal prepping. Who knew that budgeting could also satisfy your taste buds? Meal prepping is a secret weapon for slashing your food expenses and avoiding pricey takeout meals. I started using HelloFresh, and found I was saving money and making delicious meals, too. 7. Automate your savings. If you haven't met your new best friend yet, it's time to introduce yourself to automatic account transfers. Set up regular deposits to your savings account on payday, and watch your savings grow effortlessly. You won't even notice the money leaving your account, but your future self will give you a high five. 8. Negotiate like a pro. You've got skills, so put them to use. Negotiate your bills, subscriptions, and even your rent. Don't be shy. The worst they can say is, no, but you might be surprised at the hidden savings you uncover. 9. DIY fun and entertainment. Entertainment doesn't have to break the bank. Explore the world of DIY fun with game nights, movie marathons, and picnics in the park. Your wallet will thank you, and you'll have a blast while you're at it. 10. Celebrate your victories. Last but not least, celebrate every milestone you reach on your budgeting journey. Treating yourself occasionally is essential to maintaining motivation. Just remember to keep it within budget. No splurging allowed. With these 10 secret budgeting tips in your arsenal, you're ready to rock the world of personal finance like a boss. Remember, budgeting doesn't mean you can't enjoy life. It's all about finding that perfect, sweet spot between spending and saving. So, go forth and conquer your financial goals with confidence and a smile on your face. Happy budgeting! If you enjoyed this video, or found it helpful, please consider hitting like, subscribe, or even share it with someone you know who could benefit from some budgeting tips. Visit our new website, www.debtdetoxadvisors.com.